Okay, here I am with one of my very first inventions using the Arduino microcontroller platform. So here I have, using one of these nifty SparkFun breadboarding stands, or sort of platforms, with an LCD module which I've got wired up to various output pins on the Arduino, a piezo element coming from one of my pulse width modulated outputs, and a flex sensor, which you see here, which is a variable resistance element whose resistance varies proportional to how much it's being bent. So you can sense the angle of flexion, basically. Hooked up to one of the analog inputs here, that white wire there. Okay, so I'm holding down the reset button now, because as soon as I let go, it's going to start up and start making some noise. Basically what it's going to do is it reads the resistance on the flex sensor, converts that to a pitch, and then outputs a tone using the piezo element at that pitch, and also prints the pitch to the LCD screen. So I'm going to let go and it'll start up. Alright, so here we are, unflexed. It hovers right around 1000 hertz, 1 kilohertz tone. Now, so there, you can see the LCD a little bit better if I focus on it. Now, if we grab the flex sensor, or just depress it with our thumb, we can adjust the pitch. You can see we're down to 500 hertz, down right around 0, real deep pitch. Let go, comes back up. So that's kind of neat, and it's kind of fun. You can sort of make some sort of crazy electronic music with it. So, well, if my cat would shut up, some crazy electronic music. Alright, let's see what we can do. Alright, so there you go. You can sort of play around with it and make some pseudo-musical sort of sounding stuff. You don't control a lot very precisely, and there's a big random element involved, but you can sort of get some interesting rhythmic structure. A lot of the rhythm has to do with the delay that I'm imposing between updates to the tone of 1/10 of a second. So if you just sort of flop the thumb back and forth, you'll sort of get a 1/10 of a second based rhythm going on that's its resolution for picking up the new pitch, and so you get this interesting sort of walk with the tone, sort of rapidly up and down. Anyway, so that's what it is. See you guys later.